To quickly lose weight, I did two things. First, I ate healthier, and then I moved more. My eating schedule is quite atypical for many years now. I usually eat larger meals in the morning and especially in the evening. But during the day, I have just snacks at work. This is what I have at the moment, but I usually eat other things as well, like carrots, peppers, avocados, eggs, nuts, and things like that. I also drink plenty of tea. Work keeps me busy throughout the day, and because I eat all the time, I don't get hungry at all. Now, this system worked for me. I don't really know how healthy it is because I'm not a doctor. Not that kind of doctor. But maybe it can work for you as well. But it's not the main reason why I lost weight. I've been doing this for many years now. The difference is that this time I started eating more at work. That meant that when I got home in the evening I wouldn't raid the fridge. And I paid attention to how much I eat, and I ate enough to just feel good. I also decided that on cheat days I would eat half as much as I would normally do. Now, about moving more. I decided to substitute cycling for walking, and that meant much more movement for me during the day. I would now walk to store, to work, and so on. I also added 1 hour of cardio every day. And this initially meant even more walking, but you can substitute that with cycling or anything that uses your legs. But Radu, why do I have to use my legs if this is where I'm fat? Good that you ask, Fat Radu. You see, leg muscles are the largest in the body, and they burn much more fat than any other ones. My favorite thing is to go skiing, but somehow it's not as nice during the summer. So I made a habit to exercise in the morning before eating breakfast. I do this mostly because stomach doesn't get upset when exercising. Now, as I got in better fit, I gradually replaced car with bicycle. So if you want to learn more about long distance cycling, you can check out my tips in this video. And I also got in good enough shape to run the Marathon of Dangers. You can check out this one as well. What else? Well, I eat bananas when I exercise, so you can look at this as well, I guess.